Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in one glass air fryer review. Is it worth buying? Looking for a healthier, non-toxic air fryer that can cook family-sized meals while doubling as a food storage system? Today we're reviewing the Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in one glass air fryer to see if it's worth adding to your kitchen. If you'd like to check the latest price or read customer reviews, make sure to click the product link in the description and the pinned comment below. Overview. The Ninja Crispi Pro stands out because it replaces traditional non-stick baskets with clean, crisp borosilicate glass containers that are PFAS-free, PTFE-free, and BPA-free. That means no forever chemicals on food contact surfaces. Inside the box, you get a large 6-quart container that can feed up to 10 people, a 2.5-quart container for everyday meals, 2 crisper plates, snap-lock storage lids, a modular cooking base, and a recipe book. Features. Powered by an impressive 1800-watt heating system, this air fryer can roast a whole 7.5-pound chicken while delivering crispy, evenly cooked results. It offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, max crisp, roast, bake and proof, recrisp, dehydrate. One of the biggest advantages is the thermal shock-resistant glass. You can move food directly from the freezer into the air fryer without thawing, saving both time and dishes. Another thoughtful feature is the modular stainless steel base, which works with multiple container sizes, giving you flexibility for both small meals and family dinners. What we like. The transparent glass lets you watch your food cook without opening the container. Cleanup is simple since the glass containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The included leak-proof snap-lock lids also turn the cooking containers into meal prep and storage containers, eliminating the need for extra dishes. If you want a kitchen appliance that can cook, serve, store, and reheat using the same container, this system is extremely convenient. Things to consider. Because it's made with thick borosilicate glass, it may feel heavier than traditional basket-style air fryers. It's also designed more for users who value healthier cooking materials and premium versatility, so it comes at a higher price than basic air fryers. Final verdict. Overall, the Ninja Crispi Pro is an excellent choice for families, meal preppers, and anyone looking to avoid traditional non-stick coatings while enjoying powerful air frying performance. Its combination of glass cooking containers, 1,800 watts of power, 6 cooking modes, and easy food storage makes it one of the most innovative air fryers available today. If you want to check today's price, available discounts, or read verified customer reviews, be sure to click the product link in the description and the pinned comment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.